Hey all, welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossoms. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with the unboxing of Envision box for the month of January. Wish you all a happy new year and I hope everything comes well this year. So let me see what all I've got. I've opened it but I've not seen the contents. So the first thing we see is this beautiful card which says, "Hey gorgeous, we're happy to introduce ourselves to Nelfusa." So they have introduced a new makeup brand which is Nelf USA, and it's actually a cosmetic brand where you get makeup which is 100% vegan, paraben free and lead free. So I'm excited to try that, and also have this 20% off on your first website purchase, but I don't see any code. I think you can register on the website, which is nelfusa.com. And we have another card which says, "Thank you for investing your valuable money in Envision box. Hope you like the box and happy new year." And also we have all the details about the products. It was nicely bubble wrapped. So the star product and the first product of this box is this Roots&Herbs face wash with royal silver indulgence. It has 99.9% pure silver flakes. Roots&Herbs brand is pure vegetarian, paraben free, chemical free and free from many ingredients which are harmful to our skin. So I've used a couple of their toners. I really love them. And this is an Ayurvedic aromatherapy vegan product. It's made in India and this is of 890 rupees. So the manufacturer is in fresh batch, which is December 2017. So you have to take appropriate amount, light massage on your wet face and rinse well. And it also has given the benefits of it. So it has rose water in it which cleanses and tones and minimizes fine lines. It has pure silver flakes which cures dryness, anti-aging and skin irritation. It is suitable for all skin types and you can use twice per day, and this is a gel face wash. Oh, that's nice. I thought it's powder. So yeah, it is packed. And yes, this is a star product of the box which is of 890 rupees, which is really nice. One is this Monsup's Gold Facial Crystal Collagen Mask series, which is this mask, and this is of 250 rupees. And you have all the details here. It has one I see is this is a Nelf USA long lasting oil free primer base. This is of 30 ml product, and this is a matte which is a tube primer, and this is of 350 rupees. As mentioned, this is vegan product, paraben free product. So let me open it. This is how the primer is. It's similar to the Color Bar tube one little bit. So it's crystal clear in color. So this is how it is. Okay, it's non-sticky and it blends really easily. It's like you can see little sheen. It's not at all sticky, but it's matte, so it's nice. I'm excited to try this one. So this is the third product. And we see is a nail polish. So this is how the shade is. It's really pretty. I really like it. So yes, and this is of 125 rupees. This is from Nelf USA Quick Dry. This is of 14 ml. I really like the shade. So this is the next product. This is Monsup's Pure Rejuvenating and Renewing Beauty Facial Mask, which is of 250 rupees. I think this is a new mask. So it's really pretty. The packaging is really nice. Next thing we see is this diary which has friends forever, and it's really cute and pretty. So Jimmy doesn't want me to film it, Jimmy, but this is a diary. It's really pretty. So you can see it has this little prints on it. It's really pretty and I like it. So this one they say is of 199 rupees. And also we have got some cute candies. If we see what all we have got one silver face wash from Roots&Herbs which is of 890. We have got this long lasting primer which is of 350, and we've got a nail polish which is of 125, and we have got Monsup's facial mask which is of 250, and then executive diary of 199 rupees. And also we have got some candies to check you up. So this is all what I've got. So I've got products worth of 2000 rupees, and I've got 2 Monsup masks. So I'm really excited about it. So yes, this is all I've got in my very Envision box, which is Swag's Swagat edition. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm so excited to try this product, which is the Roots&Herbs Silver Face Wash, and also this Nelf primer. And I really like the nail polish color. It's really nice. Oh, it matches this diary. So yes, this is really pretty as well. So yes, thanks all. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.